In the 17th century, people from Spain, France, Sweden, Holland, and England traveled to North America, settling along its eastern coast. The first permanent settlement was the English colony at Jamestown in 1607, which is now called Virginia. 13 years later, the Pilgrims arrived, setting up a colony at Plymouth, which later was named Massachusetts. As more people from different countries arrived, there became more disputes over territory. They fought over control of the land, and in the end, England won the control of the English colonies. Soon, more colonies were formed along the eastern coast, making up 13 colonies. Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. In order to learn more about the colonies, historians have put them together into 3 groups based on where they are, why they were founded, and what kind of industry they had. The first group of colonies I will teach you about are the New England colonies. These colonies are the northernmost colonies. The people who settled here wanted to keep their families together and practice their own religion. They were very independent. The majority of these people did not come to the New World to make money, but instead to start a better life. Most of these people of the New England colonies were farmers and fishermen. They made their own clothes and shoes and grew food to feed their families. Crops like corn and wheat were easily grown here and were sold and shipped to England. Another group of colonies was the Middle Colonies. The people of the Middle Colonies came to the New World to practice their religion or to make money. Not many of these settlers brought along their families from England, and they spent their time working hard in ironworks and shipyards. The economy of the Middle Colonies was part industrial and part agriculture. They grew wheat and grains on farms and worked in factories producing iron, paper, and textiles. They produced goods that they could trade with England as well. The last group of colonies are the Southern Colonies. The people who settled in the Southern Colonies came to America to make money. They brought along their families and lived together on plantations. A plantation is a large plot of land that contains many acres of farmland and buildings for people who own the land and the people who worked it. The Southern Colonies was mostly agricultural because of the ability to build plantations. They grew tobacco, rice, and indigo and sold it to the other colonies as well as shipping it to England. The people of the Southern Colonies also owned slaves to help them work their plantations.